Alright. Power steering cooler on this Mitsubishi Eclipse 2003 is leaking. Big surprise, right? I think the reservoir is leaking a bit too, but the cooler is the main culprit. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to cut the cooler right out of it and then use a piece of the cooler to tie the two hoses back together. Alright, so there's the power steering line, and that's the problem. I'm going to cut that out. Alright, so I got the little connector for the two hoses in here. I think she'll have power steering again.